I want to see one flip.
Darren, why would you want to see one flip? Ah! Top share monster truck. Oh God. Oh yeah, Bob. .76 seconds. Oh. Come on. Someone else, fire it up. I want to see this. Oh, here's one. Oh, listen to supercharger surge. Lower surge. Oh, I thought he did a wheelie. $1,500 horsepower. Whoa. God. What? I'll go on more rides. I want to see this. Of course. Hey. What? Hey, those things are nice. Of course they do. Look how big they are. They have to. There's one more, isn't it going? Oh, they are. Damn it. Well, that sucks.
We'll go around the tornado.
Well, when we hear a V8 start, we'll come back.